our amazing Lego Technic car just kept on going. Lego Technic.
So my name is Lubor Zelinka and I am design lead for this amazing Lego Technic car you can see over here. It's a replica of Bugatti Chiron, so no scale model, and it's real size with all the real details, built completely out of Lego Technic. Lego has a great partnership with Bugatti and we already produced a nice set, several of them actually, the last being Bugatti Chiron Technic model. And once that came out, actually Lego people were so inspired by Bugatti and their achievements, because Bugatti is brand all about pushing the limits of what's possible with vehicles. So they decided to push the limits of Lego too. And then they called us, and by us I mean people who sit with me in model production. That's a part of Lego that specializes in large models like this. And we took on the idea and developed it.
You look at the steering wheel, and yes, it's made out of Lego, but you look around and you see every little piece that's on the real Chiron is there. And it's not until you sit and you look and you spend time taking it all in and enjoying the surroundings. You know, the center controls, which are high-def displays in the Chiron, they're there. They're all there.
It took about 10 months from the first idea to finish, and that's about over 13,000 man-hours. It was this project was made in total by 16 people. Well, there are many unique things about this car. The biggest of them is it's a first fully Technic model we have developed. So there's only Lego Technic bricks used, and also some basic steel frame underneath that. And it's also the first drivable Lego Technic model we have made, because there was an engine consisting of Lego power function motors. And you could actually drive this car, and we did that, and we achieved 25 kilometers per hour. Most of the car is made out of Lego Technic elements, which is a plastic. They are not glued together, so I can in theory still reach and remove some parts or add them. And there is also a metal frame underneath. It's like a basic frame, and axles are made of metal. Bugatti were nice enough to give us a set of wheels and tires, and there is also steel steering column and steering rack, and that's about it. From the floor up, it's all Lego. So in total we have used over 1 million Lego Technic pieces to build this car. Some interesting numbers, for example, 2,304 Lego Technic engines were used. The engine power is a little bit over 5 horsepower. And about 92 newton meters of torque, theoretical. In total, there are about 300 different types of bricks being used, and that's all standard bricks, standard element designs. We only had about 56 made in a special colors for this project. For example, if you see the headlights, these are transparent, and that's not something you can normally find in Lego Technic, and we had that custom made for us. This car was first unveiled last September in Monza, in the Formula 1 Monza event, and since then it has gone on a world tour basically. So this is the first time we are in North America, this North American unveiling. Before that we've done most of Europe actually, and from here it's actually going to Florida, to Orlando. The car will stay here for the full AutoShow, and you can also visit our Lego Cars experience, Lego I Love Cars experience next door. You can build your own car, enter a competition, and win a nice prize. So be sure to check us out.